Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, today guys we again will take a look at the Great British Pound because as you can see on the euro currency the price action is really shy and anemic and really nothing to discuss yet. Meantime, on the Great British Pound market has accomplished our yesterday assumption that probably market should move slightly lower since yesterday it hasn't quite reached the significant support area where it stands now. And this support has mostly the tactical meaning because it hardly will change the current bearish sentiment on the market, but tactically this support could trigger some reasonable upward bounce to the upside that could be really interesting setup, interesting context for trading in a short-term perspective in today, maybe tomorrow trading sessions. So as you can see, market has hit the minimum target of the butterfly, and we could say that this butterfly has worked nice since market has reached the thread support of the whole move up. At the same time, this is not just the target of the butterfly because that is the confidence support. It's very strong support. That is the monthly pivot point on the Great British Pound. That is daily oversold, and take a look, that's natural support resistance as well. So there's resistance, 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 support. It will be now support again. So you should not be confused by the moment that market stands slightly lower than this area. We should treat it mostly as a range around it, and a bit later you will understand why market is moving slightly lower than this support area. Anyway, I suppose that in this area we should search for possibility for taking the long position for the scalp bounce to the upside. Currently it's difficult to say how significant this bounce will be, but taking into consideration whole action to the upside, well, this bounce could be really significant. But we will be focused on the minor bounce approximate to the thread resistance of the whole move down. So that will be approximately somewhere around 100 pips to the upside. Well, that's the context for the Great British Pound. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you'll see our yesterday's action. So we said as market is forming the butterfly, here we have started our discussion. We said probably market should reach at minimum the weekly pivot support 1 and the 1618 target that stands in agreement with the confidence support, and that has happened. So now you can see also that this area is also the weekly pivot support 1 and is also the target of this minor butterfly. But at the same time you could see the market is forming this greater A, B, C top D pattern that has the target at 1667.40 area approximately. That's the reason why market is trying to pass slightly lower. And if you ever read the Judd Napoli book, this is a bit advanced technique and advanced moment in the Judd Napoli framework. He tells that if some market has objective point of some ABCD pattern that stands slightly lower than the fib level or confluence fib support, it's not very important what particular level. The moving of the market slightly lower than this confluence support not necessarily means that this support area has failed, because market could show this downward action and piercing of this support only for the purpose of hitting this objective point that stands slightly lower. It means that after market will hit this target, it could return right back above this support area, and in this case this level should not be treated as the failed, as a level that has been broke. Absolutely not. This piercing of this support area will mean that market just had intention to hit the target. When it has happened, it will return right back up. So here we have the same situation. We have the objective point, it's 167.40, that stands slightly lower than daily confluence support. It means that although market right now stands slightly lower than the confluence support, it doesn't mean that this area has been broken already. And I suspect that after hitting of this target, of this ABCD pattern, market has significant chances to rebound to the upside. That is the moment that we will be monitor during today and tomorrow trading sessions. That is our context for trading. That is our first step in our trading plan. On the hourly chart, we could see how it could happen. So that's the final point of the ABCD pattern. And take a look. Here market is forming small butterfly on the hourly time frame chart. And 1618 extension of this butterfly coincides with the target of the ABCD pattern. So that's our current view on the Great British Pound. It's very interesting, and you can see that the higher time frames chart patterns combine with the lower time frame chart patterns and so on. So it's very, you could say this is really a solid picture of different time frames on the Great British Pound, and this is very nice. So let's see what will happen. That's been said. The first stage of our plan suggests a reaching of this area around 167.40 area, and maybe this will happen by this butterfly. Second stage of our plan assumes watching for reversal patterns that could be formed here. Particularly speaking, this is the butterfly, and maybe market a bit later will form head and shoulders or something of that sort. And second and final third point in our plan is trying to take the long position with a possible retracement to the upside. The minimum retracement, I suppose, will be 3.8 resistance of the whole move down. That will be approximately around 68.40 area. Maybe market, but I can't exclude that market really will show a bit deeper retracement, maybe even 618, because this move up was significant, and here is still some rest of the momentum from this action. And do not forget that market now stands at oversold. When the market hits the oversold, we could count on the deeper retracement. In general, guys, you could treat the situation also as the Jordan stretch pattern. That's the combination of the oversold with a significant support area. That also suggests a rebound to the upside. So you can see very different approaches to the current analysis, whether it will be Jordan framework, whether it will be classical analysis, harmonic pattern analysis. Suggests that probably market should show some rebound out from this, and at minimum this market should pass approximately 100 pips to the upside. But there is really significant chances that retracement in fact will be deeper, maybe 150 or maybe even 200 pips to the upside. So this retracement will be meaningful and worthy of our attention. So let's see. Let's hope that we will get what we would like to do.